All right, so you've identified the perfect home and you're ready to write an offer. Now, the question is, what is the right offer to make? Answering that question starts with understanding the micro market, understanding the particular property that you want to write an offer on, and understanding how much direct competition that home faces from other similar homes in the community and the surrounding areas. Now, you're also going to want to get a sense of what is the buyer activity like locally. And you're going to understand that through analysis of local buyer activity data, as well as through conversations that your buyer agent should have with the listing agent about how many showings they're having, whether or not they have any offers in hand, or expecting any offers within the next 24 to 48 hours. And a good buyer agent will also help you determine if there are any particular contractual terms that are important to the seller, such as maybe a quick close or maybe a rent back. And with this information in hand, you'll want to take stock of your financial position. What would your monthly payment look like given the price that you're considering offering and today's interest rates? If you're entering a competitive situation, you might want to take stock of whether or not there are any contingencies that you might consider waiving. And also consider, does it make sense in this particular case to offer an escalation addendum? Now, if you're really in love with the home and you're contemplating offering more than the home might likely appraise for, do you have the cash to cover a delta if the appraisal comes in low? If you plan to live in the home for maybe just 2 to 3 years, there's a chance that you might not even break even on the sale. Now, if you're thinking of living in the home for 15, 20 years or more, then offering, 25 grand above list price may seem like a very small price to pay to secure the home that you really want in the long run. So as you can see, structuring the right offer is very much dependent on your particular circumstances. Want to learn more? Check out my home buyer overview down below. Ready to get the process started? Give me a call or schedule time down below. Until next time, take it easy.